Over the next few minutes, you'll be introduced to the fundamental features of the TradeWave Viewer on a desktop browser. TradeWave empowers you to discover promising prospects within stocks and securities that demonstrate consistent performance over time. You can access the Wave Viewer on the top menu of the TradeWave website. The TradeWave Viewer consists of two primary sections. The initial segment is the Opportunities table, located on the left-hand side. Here, a comprehensive list of today's opportunities is presented. This meticulously curated list is generated from an extensive data set containing hundreds of billions of data points. The opportunities are ranked by historical risk, utilizing the Sharpe Ratio as a key metric. For those seeking opportunities across different markets, a convenient selection box positioned above the table offers a choice of 10 distinct markets. The second segment unveils the Wave Viewer, situated on the right-hand side. Within this interactive display, intricate details regarding each opportunity come to life. With a simple click on any opportunity within the Opportunities table, an expansive array of information regarding its specific date range is revealed on the Wave Viewer. Each opportunity on the Opportunities table demonstrates a date range, with a consistent pattern of profit for the listed security. TradeWave date range opportunities are characterized by the following key attributes: the starting date of the date range, the ticker symbol associated with the opportunity, the duration of time measured in calendar days, the direction of the opportunity, long or short. Additionally, the median profit achieved from the date range across historical years emerges as an important consideration. At the heart of evaluating and ranking each opportunity stands the Sharpe Ratio. This indispensable metric assumes the mantle of assessing historical risk, with an elevated Sharpe Ratio denoting an inherently lower-risk historical opportunity. To demonstrate the features of the Wave Viewer, let's analyze the top opportunity in S&P 500 on the Opportunities table. Select S&P 500 with the Market Selector pull down. Click the top opportunity listed on the Opportunities table. Immediately, the Wave Viewer loads the data, revealing the detailed information about the historical performance of the selected security during the date range over the past 10 years. We'll now review the details of the opportunity on the Wave Viewer. The profit bar chart shows the stock's performance visually for the last 10 years. Each bar is showing the profit and loss of the security if it was bought on the start date of the date range and sold on the end date of the date range. Each bar shows the profit or loss for each year of the last 10 years. On the bottom, the detailed stats of the date range is displayed. Helpful detail and statistical measures are displayed to show you how well the date range has performed. For more information on the statistical measures, refer to the Learn page or advanced videos on the TradeWave website. The bottom section can be swiped right and left to reveal additional information about the opportunity. You can also use our navigation dots to switch to any of the 3 charts and tables on the Wave Viewer. Select the trend chart by clicking the left navigation dot, or swipe the chart to the right to see the comprehensive trend chart based on the last 10 years. Trend chart is a 365-day line chart showing the average trend of the security in the past 10 years. The trend chart is used to look at the big picture of the security performance throughout the year. Sharp uptrends and downtrends can show potential wave opportunities. The current date range is displayed as an opportunity window over the trend chart. The opportunities date range window can be adjusted by changing the start date and days controls above the bar chart. You can also update the date range interactively by dragging the edges of the opportunity window to the desired date. Click the opportunity on the Opportunities table again to reset the date range to the initial date range listed on the Opportunities table. Next, select the chart on the right by clicking the right navigation dot or swipe left twice. You will now see the current price chart for the security. You can also click any bars on the bar chart to see historical trades for that year. Click the bar on the bar chart for the year 2021. The price chart updates to show the historical trade for the year 2021 with entry and exit dates marked by green and red arrows. Switch back to Wave Stats by clicking the center navigation dot. Let's review the controls of the Wave Viewer. There are multiple ways to download and share information about an opportunity on the Wave Viewer. There are two controls above the Wave stats for downloading information for a Wave opportunity as JPEG or as a CSV file. The JPEG control downloads a current screenshot of the Wave Viewer, and the CSV control downloads the opportunity as a CSV file that can be opened with Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Portfolios on TradeWave. You can save any Wave opportunities on the Wave Viewer to a portfolio for future reference, for tracking, and for simulated paper trading. To add an opportunity to a portfolio, click the plus icon on the top banner of the Wave Viewer. Open the Portfolio Manager by clicking on the Portfolio Manager icon on the bottom bar. Each row on the Portfolio Manager is an opportunity saved for future reference and tracking. The first 8 columns show the general opportunity information. There are also 4 icons and 2 text boxes displayed for each opportunity. The first icon is the recall icon that loads the opportunity back on the Wave Viewer. The second icon opens the custom report that is generated for each opportunity added to a portfolio. The third icon is for setting Google Calendar events for the opportunity. And the fourth icon is for deleting the opportunity from the Portfolio Manager. The first text box shows that 10 shares are being tracked for this opportunity. This is the default number of tracked shares when a new opportunity is added. You can change the number of shares to any number from 0 to 10,000. The next text box by default shows the cost of the number of shares tracked for this opportunity. You can change the amount you wish to track as initial investment. When the investment amount is changed, the number of shares is adjusted to reflect the new amount entered. Even entering $1 will set the shares to 1 and show the investment value for 1 share. The last column shows the profit and loss for the opportunity. This value changes every trading day based on the latest closing price of the security. You can click any opportunity and see additional information about the security on the first row on the bottom of the Portfolio Manager. The second row on the bottom of the Portfolio Manager shows the details of the overall portfolio performance, including profit and loss for all securities listed on the portfolio. Users with multi-portfolio access can create new portfolios by clicking the gear icon on the top banner of the Portfolio Manager. All portfolios can be accessed by the portfolio selectors on the top banner as well. You now know the basic operation of TradeWave Viewer and can start selecting and tracking stocks and other securities that can dramatically enhance your investments and trading. Check the detailed videos on how to use TradeWave features to develop a data-driven trading strategy or enhance your existing strategy by using the information available on TradeWave.